What's up, guys? Good day in the market today. Uh, yeah. First things first, market up or down? Market was down. Should we be thinking about buying or selling? Buying, right? So, I want to go over a few things. Let's just go ahead and go to the platform. Number one, this is the one we had from the weekend. And you see up here, it did open at 734. Okay? So we went ahead and inputted that here. Also, you'll see my deposit went in, $10. So we got 15. Okay. Now the market's down, and before you go run the scanner and doing all the crazy stuff, let's focus on what we have. We need to flip these positions out. We need to get back into cash. All right. So instead of buying a bunch of different positions, we're going to see if there's something we can buy that we already have, right? With 15 bucks, we can only afford this guy, right? RWT. So let's take a quick look and do a little just brief analysis here. Looks like, yeah, it went down. We're in the sweet spot. Here's the financials. Still paying out a crazy dividend. It's making money. Not much cash flow, which isn't that great, but it's still the same business we bought, right? That's the whole idea. It's still the same freaking business that we bought it at. So let's go ahead and see what the closing price was. Looks like 711. I remember those. Do those still exist? The old 711. I'm going to show you guys how we manage a position. Or how I do, rather. Y'all can do whatever you want. Usually I do it in the same line item, but this will make it easier for y'all to see. So what we're going to do is we're going to buy another share, okay? So at 734, my sell price, and I'll just type it in here. Let's see, on the first time using a computer, I guess. All right, the sell price would be 741, right? Well, if I take the average of these two, which you can see down here, 723, or you can just add these two together and divide by 2, right? It's the same thing. What is 1% above this? Give yourself a minute. Pause the video if you need to, but figure it out on your own. The answer is 730. Okay, so instead of selling at 741, we can sell at a lower price and still make 1% over both of these positions. Okay, so let's go into the broker and see how this works. Also, another thing, I only got 2 day trades left, so that could be important. All right, let's put the order in. Alright, we want to buy this sucker. We probably have to cancel our order. What's this button do? There's the cancel button. Cancel order. You gone. Alright. Says you can't teach an old dog a new trick. Alright. So, we're going to buy 1 share. We're sure as hell not going to pay that much. 711 is the price. First triggers the second. And we're going to actually sell 2 of them, right? We want to sell both them shares. And we calculated we're at 730. So if you don't understand how I got the sell price, rewind the video, watch it again. Sometimes the stuff goes pretty quick and it takes a little while. You might need some repetition. You can also go through and watch the playlist. I put them all in a playlist for you guys. Alright, good till cancel, extended, right? And limit, right? These are the important things right here. So we're going to try to buy more and then sell the whole lot, right? So all this can happen in the same day. Alright. Send it. We'll send. We're good. We're the highest bid. It probably got filled. 709 was the bid. So that'll most likely get filled. For those of you that are not down with RWT, let's do a little quick. I got a few minutes. Let's just do a quick scanner here. All right, so screener, all, Hacksaw Jim Duggan, USA, 30 RSI, 500,000 shares on the volume. There should be quite a few on here today. You know, we went all that time with nothing, right? And then bam, feast and famine, right? Next year and next 5 years are positive. That gives us our margin of safety, right? And we want a dividend. Got 2 pages. Look at that. So first off, you'll see the positions we're in. I'm milking that one. That's beautiful. We got transports starting to come in with FedEx. So you know these companies. Intel. And it's bad news after bad news. Kimberly-Clark, they do paper products and stuff. So 3M, there's China. They typically move with China. We got Newell Brands. Which companies are we in? Newell, Verizon, 3M. Got some banks. You know, just make sure you're looking for debt. Make sure the debt's not crazy. There's our Verizon. There it is. And BGR. So, Stanley Black & Decker. That's a solid one. But you just have to look in, and your PE will give you your initial indication. But really what you're working on is debt. You don't want to pay a lot of freaking debt. Also, I've been trying harder on the website. So, I've been posting some screenshots intraday of what I'm looking at. Because it's easy Monday morning quarterback after the market's closed to say, oh yeah, this is exactly what's going on. But I'm putting some effort forth. I hope that it helps you learn, not necessarily to copy what I'm doing, but to learn how I'm looking at the markets and how it makes me money. And I think it really can help you if you put the time in. So check out the link in the description is the website. It's the same name as the YouTube. Just put .com on it. And you'll see intraday that I do have a plan, and I just fulfill it. I mean, today it didn't take no time at all, right? We gapped up. We looked for the gap fill. And then I ended up taking options on Verizon, and I bought Dell as an average down in my main account. So I was really looking between these two, but if you look at it, obviously I couldn't see today's candle, right? We agree on that? I didn't know what was going to happen today. That's annoying. Wow, that's really annoying. But you can see how this candle broke all the lows out. So to me, it was just an indication maybe it's not done going down. And of course, today it did go down. Now, Dell, on the other hand, it still went down, but it closed within the wick here. So we still look good. But I couldn't see that. Here's what I saw, right? As it was trying to go up, right? I'm going to buy stuff's going up. My trading plan says I could only buy one right now just because I'm tapped out of cash. So I'm going to still buy every day, but I'm just going to slow down how fast I'm buying, right? And that's what protects me if the market keeps going down. It's not how much money you make, it's how much you keep, right? So if you go broke, none of this even matters. But we want to average in. We're buying. People are scared as hell, so we're still in there buying every day. And when this position sells, then we'll be able to put more positions on. But until then, we're just kind of being kind of cautious. We've already got our money in. That's the objective, to put the money in smartly and then let it do its thing. So a little long-winded maybe. I hope this helps. Check out the website if you want more in-depth what's going on what does it look like when I actually put the buy order in and things like that. Beyond that, just hang in there and stay the course. Hope y'all are doing good. We'll see you tomorrow.